Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see taskbar icons not showing in Windows 10 or Windows 11. Let's fix it guys. You just need to go to search menu and type registry editor. Click on open it and select yes. Now you just need to check my video description for this registry path used in my video. Just copy it and after copying it, paste it in the file path over here and press enter. And now you just need to right click on the stuck reacts 3 and select delete it. Select yes. This key stores taskbar settings and by deleting it you force Windows to recreate it with default settings which can fix this glitches. After deleting it, you just need to close stuff here and go ahead and restart your PC for the changes take effect. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope this solution fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.